Okay, to help us get caught up, I'm going to make a short video about how mirrors work and how angles play into how mirrors work. So I've drawn here, this solid line is supposed to represent a mirror. And maybe you have somebody observing up here. This is somebody's eye. And we want to know, what do they see in this point right down here at the where this dotted line and this solid line, the mirror, intersect. Okay, so I guess I should explain what this dotted line is. This dotted line is called a normal line. And a normal line makes a right angle with the surface. So in this picture, this right here is a right angle. Okay. So if we're up here observing, right in this dot, and we want to know what we see on the mirror at this point, well, we can draw this line. And the way the light bounces off is that the incoming light, which is coming in this way, and bouncing off the mirror, the angle that it makes with the normal line should be equal to the angle that the light bouncing off the mirror makes with the normal line. So these two angles are equal. Okay, so that also tells us actually that this angle between the incoming ray of light and the mirror should be equal to this angle here between the mirror and the outgoing ray of light. Okay, now you might wonder, how can I know what I see in the mirror at some other point? So what does, the stuff in the mirror look like in relation to, maybe some objects that are out here away from the mirror? Well, let me use a different color. If I say, have a tree here, okay, well, okay, this part of the tree that I'm making a big dot on, we see in the mirror right down here. Now if I have a different colored leaf on the tree, maybe a brown leaf, maybe we see the reflection of a brown leaf here in the mirror, and you might say, okay, where does that brown leaf come from? Well, to figure that out, we can again draw our normal line from that point, and draw in our lines. There we go. Draw in this line to the point and have our other line coming in the same angle. So again, this angle here should be equal to this angle here. Maybe I'll make it with 2 marks. So the angle of the incoming ray of light and the outgoing ray of light, they should make the same angle with the normal line. And so the leaf over here this brown leaf on the tree, maybe, we would see in the mirror at this point right down here. All right, so that's how mirrors work. I hope that makes sense.